Hello students, you're welcome to Hedu Math Hub. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very interesting question for UNILAG 2024 Post-UME. This is a likely question, so stick to the end of the video so you can learn how to solve something like this. We are told that if the quadratic equation 3x squared minus 7x plus r is a perfect square, we have to find r. So this is the question here. The first thing to do is to divide all through by 3. All through by 3 first. Just like that. If you do that, this 3 cancels out. I'm going to get x squared minus 7x over 3 plus r. Then the next step to do is to look for the coefficient of this middle term here. The coefficient of the middle term is minus 7 over 3. Okay? Then you do half of it. Half of that. That will give you minus 7 over 3 times 1 over 2. Which will give you minus 7 over 6. The next step is for you to take the square of this guy here. So the square of minus 7 over 6 will be minus 7 over 6 all squared. So that will give you 7 times 7, that will give you 49. 6 times 6 will give you 36. Okay, then you need to add this guy to both sides of the original expression. Okay, you just compare this guy, 49 over 36, to this term here, r over 3. Okay, you compare 49 over 36 to r over 3, since they must be the same value. So you're going to have r over 3 is equals to 49 over 36. From there, you can cross multiply like this. So r will just be 49 times 3 divided by 36. So this will give you 3 here 1, this will give you 3 here 12. So the final answer will be r is equals to 49 over 12. Then you move to your option and confirm the answer, which is option D. Okay? So I hope you understand and I hope you've gained something from watching this video up to this point. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.